Hello, Internet. We're going to build a computer. So I want to put you here. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do a little overview first. Austin's going to help me out. You can't see him because my internet sucks right now, so he's just audio. Say hi, Austin.
Hello.
So he's in my speakers.
You can hear me.
I think so. I didn't even think. Yeah, it's not covered up. All right. All right. So sorry, you're looking at my chest there. You like that? I'm sure you did. All right. So this is my old computer. I got it from Yale, whatchamacallit, Yale Hospital in New Haven. It's Austin. So it is a i2 with Windows Vista installed. Even though it has more than Windows Vista, it's got Windows 7 on it, but still, it's pretty crap. So we're going to upgrade to this stuff behind me. It's a $2,000 build that I'm really happy to get started with. So we're going to put you up here, and Austin's going to help me out because I've never actually built a computer before. And Austin has built his own. Your brother built one. You helped Steve and Andrew build theirs.
I helped Paul pick out his parts, but didn't help him do the actual build.
Well, he ended up going with AMD anyways, right?
Yeah, so did John though. I helped John pick out. John's got an AMD computer.
All right. So what do I need first?
Case.
All right. I talked to Andrew ever so briefly about this, and he mentioned that this has the 3 temperature probes in it, and I don't know how to set those up. I don't know if you know anything about.
Sorry. I don't know.
So I may have to go back later and have him help me through that.
I can't believe you just ripped that off so quickly and didn't revel in that.
Taking that off. Hold on. There's another one. Give me a sec.
The peeling off of the Saran is the greatest thing ever in electronics.
Oh, front panel open. Hold on. Yeah. So apparently there's a front panel. I'm learning everything so quickly. One more. Oh yeah. Come to Papa. Music. So there is a front panel here. I didn't realize that. Which is awesome.
So that's how when you put your CD drive and everything in, you'll
Very
go
cool.
in.
I actually don't have a CD drive. We have to pick one of those up. Which seems like a dumb thing that I did not get.
Yeah. It's alright. I did the exact same thing when I built mine.
That's cool.
And then you pull your Windows disk out to install Windows.
There you go.
Computer,
Hold on. Let me do it.
Well, I think you can if you. Oh wait, no, you don't have a 24-hour Walmart around you, do you?
No, I don't. I'll worry about that tomorrow.
Because if you were really hankering for it,
I could go and pick one up.
He's doing this at midnight. I don't think that's been said.
I think I'm gonna turn you up a little bit just so your volume definitely. Yeah, this is midnight right now. It's because I'm on 3rd shift. No, I'm not. I'm 2nd shift.
And your 2nd shift.
All right.
Stop the try that.
Nice try.
It could be worse. You could work middle relief.
That's true. I gotta turn you down a little. I just turned you up just so I could turn you down a little bit because I do remember people are saying
shift, which means you can't do literally anything throughout the day. Like you don't get the morning, you don't get the evening.
What are you looking at, camera?
Well, while you're building this, I might play some Pokemon though.
Do it up.
Cause Steve's been all.
Wait, Pixelmon?
No.
Like actual Pokemon? I was gonna say the server's down, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Alright, alright, so I have the case. Now what?
Split on its side. Oh, there should be a side panel. You can pop off. You should slide backwards. There might be screws in the back.
Oh, yeah, okay.
That have 2 of them there.
Yep. So I'm gonna. Oh, don't bring it. Oof. Alright, there we go. That's much better.
So now the plastic and everything else, you can go ahead and lock it all down.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna take the camera for this because after everyone's told me, I really want to catch. So this is what we got so far. So I'm just gonna move this down. Oh god. So this bar goes first. So just press it down.
Yep.
Alright, and then the other one.
Yep.
Oh, I can hear it. Oh, alright. There we go. The brain's in.
Yeah, it's that like.
Yeah.
Okay, we're good. We're
Alright.
good.
Now, what's your thought on running 16 gigs?
I would say run your 8 gigs first, and then at any time where you find yourself with a spare like $80, pick up an extra 8 gigs. Like me personally, if I could build my like dream computer, I'd run 32 or 64 gigs, depending on the motherboard. Like your motherboard that you have right there, that'll support 32 gigs of RAM, not 64. So you could do 4 8 gig cards if you wanted to.
Okay.
But that's later on if you find yourself like, I have way too much stuff open and it's causing my RAM to max out, which isn't going to happen, but
Yeah.
if you see that happening.
Just so you guys know, it's Corsair Vengeance. Sponsor.
Let's do your hard drives.
Okay. Solid state?
Either or.
Let's just solid state.
They're going to go right next to each other.
Oh, are they? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so I am using a Samsung SSD 850 Pro 256 gigabyte solid state. And I really should have been giving the stats all along for what I was putting in. That was an i7 processor. And this is going to be my boot. Probably games as well, because 256 gigs I could probably fill up quite a bit. And then the other one's going to be, I think, files and stuff. Alright, so how does this go? Where did this go? These wires have anything to do with it? And this is a Seagate 3 terabyte hard drive. Okay, so now the power. Which is a Roswell Extreme. What did I go with 750, I think?
Yeah, I don't know. I actually
I'm
don't know.
missing.
Yeah, I think that's what you got. 750 watt.
Yep, 750. And then the actual. And once again, for you guys at home, I am using an EVGA GTX 970.
And that'll give you a VGA port instead of a DVI.
Oh, cool. All right, thank you very much.
Yep.
Have a good night, guys. Austin's heading out. Switch your video back on for quick. Bye. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
See ya.
Good night, kiddo.
See ya.
Good night, video.
Alright, so we're alone now, just you and me. And we're gonna try to put this thing together as best as I can. Even though I don't quite know what I'm doing. I can pretend. If you hear any crunching sounds, you'll probably hear some yelling sounds along with it. Ooh, that one went in good. Sweet. Alright guys, so we've gotten quite a bit done here. I'm missing a few parts, apparently. Nothing crazy, but I need a bracket to hold my hard drive in. I'm thinking about getting a wireless card instead of using a USB wireless. What else? What else? Huh. There's something else. Can't think of what it was now. But it was important. Oh, a fan for my CPU. Yeah, besides that, I should be all set. Get this thing hooked up, try it out tomorrow. Oh, I also need a, whatchamacallit, CD drive. And maybe some USB panels, we'll see. Probably going to be modding this as time goes on. So, we'll see. Definitely a CD drive so I can install the software now. But yeah. So, I'm going to go pick that up tomorrow. We'll both go to bed now. And we'll finish this up later. I'm so tired. Alright, hey guys. So I just woke up and I went out to a couple stores to pick up some stuff because I couldn't get all the stuff at one place. You got a little smudge on your lens. There you go. Anyways, yeah, so I got the parts this morning. Sorry if I look like crap. I just kind of got up and went and grabbed parts, and now I'm going to put it together, finish this up. So I picked up a CD drive, a wireless card, Waswell, and an extra fan just in case, and the CPU heatsink, which is what I was really missing yesterday. So I'm going to go ahead and put this all together. So yeah. Alright, so it took a lot longer than I thought it was going to. I started the computer up a couple days. I missed a couple spots in recording, putting it together. But I started it up the other day, and I was going to record that. But it's probably a good thing I didn't, though maybe it would have been kind of funny. It started up, and I had a short. I don't know if you've ever built a computer before. It basically just means that metal is touching metal somewhere it's not supposed to. My phone keeps going off when I record videos, and I don't know what's up with that. I think it's dying. Anyways, so I put it together, and I turned it on, and it shorted, and it just means that metal's touching metal someplace it's not supposed to. So you don't know where. So I had to take it apart and go through it. Found where my short was, put it back together, and I have the big unveiling here. Da 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 da. Hold on, I have stuff on my screen, secret project stuff that I can't have up. There you go. Da 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 da. New computer and everything that I'm going to need for Let's Plays and everything from now on. At least for the time being. I got a nice blue Yeti, blackout mic. I have some pretty decent speakers, pretty good. I have on my cool, freaking awesome, I don't know how I'm going to, you stay there. I know I'm probably in shadow right this second, but there we go. I got wireless headphones now for recording, which is really cool because I can run places and hear stuff. There's nothing playing right now, but you get the idea. And I'm really excited about it. Really powerful ass light here, studio light, that I had to put a piece of paper on. I think I'm going to get a gel for it. If you guys don't know what a gel is, it's like a piece of plastic you put in front of a light. It's a thin film thing. You can get them in colors, and it adds a tone. It's for people who... that's one thing. I want to get a better camera. Right now I'm kind of working with a kind of a old camera. Which I'm going to call Austin Faroon from Twitch TV actually gave it to me. So... I've had it for a while. I think I'm going to upgrade soon. But yeah, I'm really happy. Heck, even my my wallpaper, not sure if you can see this on here or not. I think you can. It's my diagnostics of my computer. CPU, RAM, my swap, my up and download speeds, or data, and my hard drives and all that cred. You guys can get that too. You can go to rainmeter.com and get that. Not a sponsor, but they could be. But no, they really have a lot of cool stuff. You can like customize the UI, the user interface of your desktop, and everything is awesome. So anyways, that's done. Computer. Super happy. It's been going great. I mean, obviously my internet isn't any better, but it's so much more reliable for everything else, and it's great. I also bought blackout curtains because sometimes I do my recording in the middle of the day, and this room gets really bright in the middle of the day. So those black out all the light. These provide all the light I need, even though this one's kind of an old desk lamp. But, you know, we do with what we got. And I am pretty happy with the setup right now. I got my keyboard that isn't turned on. Ah, yes. It's finally done. I'll post the specs, I think, on the website. I'll put a link in the description so you can go check that out, exactly what I built. The entire build, including everything, I mean, that's including all the extra stuff, except for the monitors. I've had those. The entire build was like $2,300, I think. It was a beefy build. So I'm happy with it. I'm so happy with it. It's great. But, yeah. That's it for now. Gonna do some Let's Plays now. I actually, I'm filming this after I just got back from... It's snowing like crazy outside. Like, really snowing. I just did a little quick mini vlog on my phone because I was out grabbing burgers. I almost said Subway. That's not right. McDonald's. And now I'm here and I'm going to do some Let's Plays. So these all are going to take place at the same time. Which is kind of funny. Because normally there's like a day or two between like Let's Plays and vlogs and stuff. So I'll post these on different days, but they all took place in the same time. So it's kind of weird how they all come together. Alright, I'm going to stop babbling. Because I'm doing that now. I keep talking. I don't know why. Yada yada yada. So that's about it. Oh, I did want to throw in a quick update. I threw an update up the other day and I forgot a bunch of crap. So real quick, we have a new website design in the works. It's really awesome. Philip Hoffmer is working on it. Frump. I don't know if you guys know him, but for those of you who work with WordPress and specifically Comic Press, Philip created Comic Press, and he is building our website, which is awesome. Like, seriously amazing. So, I'll give you a lot of details about that coming up. Going to PAX, I mentioned that already, but still going. That hasn't changed. And Paul's still not coming. He's got to go to Germany, which is sad, but still cool. Germany's awesome. German people out there, say hi to Paul. We're going to be posting a lot of stuff about PAX when we go. My schedule is going to go up soon. Excuse me, I'm running on. I'm kind of choking. I'm fine. But anyways, it's gonna be great. I'm really excited. Yep, that's about it. I have other secret projects, but I can't say a word about those. You just have to know that I have a secret project that I'm working on, and that's gonna be out eventually. Maybe I'll give some hints about that as time goes on. But besides that, everything's going great. We have super tons of social media. Once I get around to creating a new outro thing for these videos, you can link to all of them from that video or from any video. My arm's getting tired. I had to switch hands. What was I saying? Social media, yeah. We have so much stuff. Basically, if you go on any social media and look up Sketchy Antics, you'll be able to find us. I think the only one that's weird is either our Tumblr or our Instagram. Now that I think about it, I think it's Tumblr is Sketchy / that little horizontal slash, not the one on the baseline, but like in the middle, Antics. So it's Sketchy / Antics. But everything else is just Sketchy Antics. So go check us out. We're everywhere. We're so much places. Jenny's been going crazy posting things and like finding things and doing things for social media, and it's amazing. We're learning so much so quickly. We're interacting with so many people. It's awesome. And yeah, so I'm gonna shut up now because I said that like 5 minutes ago and I didn't. So now I'm gonna. So I will catch you guys later. Bye.